Today I'm going to show you what to check when your Epson printer has all the lights blinking and you see the error code 034004 on your computer screen. You may also notice that the printhead is stuck in the middle or on the left side, just like this. To begin, power off the printer completely, then unplug all connected cables. This issue is typically related to a mechanical obstruction or a positioning failure. Slightly lift the scanner unit. On some Epson printer models, you'll find a scanner lock like this. To release it, take a pen, gently lift the scanner while pushing the locking plastic. Hold it in place with the pen as you lower it, then push it again until it releases. Next, place a support to keep the scanner from closing. Be careful when doing this and make sure the 3 scanner cables don't come loose. Now the first thing you need to check is the capping station area. Make sure there's nothing blocking or stuck inside that shouldn't be there. Next, check this small flexible cable. This is called the Encoder Sensor FFC cable. Its function is to transfer position and movement data of the carriage from the optical sensor to the main board. This ensures the printhead moves correctly. So take a close look at this cable. Around 50% of cases where the carriage stops in the middle or on the left side are caused by a damaged encoder FFCC cable. If you find any damage, you can check the replacement tutorial in the video description. In my case, the FFC cable looks fine. So next, we need to check the encoder sensor disc. To do that, you'll need to remove the left cover of your printer. Alright, this is the encoder sensor disc. Make sure it is properly in place. If it has come off, reinstall it correctly. If it's already in position, clean it using a piece of paper towel. Clean it carefully so it doesn't come loose. Once the encoder disc is clean, reconnect the power cable and turn on the printer to see if the issue is resolved. In this case, the second method didn't work, so turn off the printer again and unplug the power cable. Next, check the ink pump roller. To do this, remove the right cover of the printer. Unscrew the 2 screws holding the ink pump roller, then inspect it carefully. Make sure nothing is broken or out of place. If everything looks fine, reinstall it and close the right cover. Now let's move on to the paper feed gear. This step is very important. Try rotating the front gear once counterclockwise, then turn it clockwise several times. If everything is normal, it should rotate smoothly with no resistance at all. But in this case, it doesn't. It gets stuck, which means something is blocking the gear. Now, take a closer look at the gears on the right side. Rotate them slowly and check carefully. Sometimes the problem is very small, but easy to miss. And there it is. A tiny piece of paper stuck between the gears. This small piece is enough to stop the entire printer. Carefully rotate the gear upward and remove it. Now that the gear is clear, reconnect the power cable and turn the printer back on. Let's see the result. And yes, it worked. The lights have stopped blinking. Now turn off the printer again and reassemble all the covers. Turn it back on and try printing. And there you go, the printer is working perfectly again. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and happy printing.